YouTube. No one's commented because I couldn't wait to make another YouTube video. Just awesome. This and just wait. Just more. This. I don't know if these are backwards to you guys, but they're Diary of a Wimpy Kid. We have two.